Hello, I am Jason, the Useless Cook, and today I'm going to show you how to make meatball pot pies. So the first thing you want to do is take a pound of ground beef and a pound of ground sausage, 2 eggs, add them one at a time of course. This is just to is paprika, ground mustard, cayenne pepper, and turmeric. And you're going to get your panko breadcrumbs, mix those in together too. I'm using Italian herb blends, but you can use whatever you want. And some diced onions. And all you're going to do is just mix it all together till it's all well combined. See here, it's done pretty nicely. I gave up on the little tool and started using my hands because it was easier that way. Just keep moving around until it's all well incorporated, mixed together nice and evenly. Just keep folding it over and over. You get it? And once you get it all mixed, you want to start making little meatballs. Big or small, how you want to do it. What I'm doing is place them in a little mini muffin tin, so I'm going to bake them. You just want to keep doing that till you get them all well incorporated and all the meatballs all separated and dished out. And of course you go in the oven at 450 for 10 to 15 minutes or longer. You want to check the internal temperature to make sure they're cooked all the way through. Again, this is ground beef and you want to make sure it's all cooked. You don't want no red in there. And of course, mini muffin tin helps them stay the shape. See, like so. I'm just moving around to make sure kind of evenly, so they cook somewhat evenly. And then while it's cooking in the oven, you want to get your sauce ready. So what I'm doing here, you get 1 can of stewed tomatoes, whole tomatoes. You want to drain it, and you want to save the water from the can. All you want to do here is fry it up in some olive oil and break it down a bit more. So you want to fry the tomatoes. Sure, shouldn't take too long, but a few minutes. See, they're just bubbling up nicely. Keep doing it until you get till it's nice fried consistency. Until it breaks down nice and easily. And then some diced onions. And what you want to do is want to caramelize them a bit. You can tell they're nice and translucent. Until they're soft and all that. Of course, you also don't have to add onions if you don't like onions as well. But, you know, they get a nice good flavor to them. See, it's coming on nicely, steaming up there, cooking away. So I want to do it till it gets nice and translucent. It'd be kind of hard to tell because of the red, but it's getting there. Then I'm adding the sauce back in from the can. A can of tomato sauce. And a can of tomato paste. Give it a nice, good mix. Of course, you want to add your seasoning. I'm just using regular Italian blend, but you can use whatever seasoning you want. we're gonna do here is just get to a nice simmer to help thicken it up a bit. But you want it too thick, you still want it to be nice and runny for a sauce. So pretty much what you're gonna do here is just stew it a bit. It shouldn't take too long. And you want to get your pie. It's ready. So I'm using the pre-made pie crust and the little mini pie tins. So I'll make 4 individual pies for each person. So what you do here is just take it and try to get it as neat as possible. It won't be perfect. You might tear it a bit. It's kind of hard. What you want to do is get it down in the corners and on the edges, as even as neatly as possible. It'll take you a while to get a hand of it. And look at that. After baking the meatballs, they stay nice and round. And we're going to put 4 meatballs in each pie. Now these are pretty big meatballs. They take up most of the space. But they're good though. And the sauce. Pour over the marinara sauce. A couple spoonfuls. Now I'm just making sure it gets all the way down at the bottom. That's why I'm doing this. And you want to fold it over. Now it took me a while to get this perfect because this is the first time I ever made this recipe. This is kind of new to me, so I might try some things different next time I make it, but it was pretty good. So of course the crust is going to look kind of messy, not very perfect, but as long as it tastes good, it doesn't matter if it doesn't look too pretty. Yeah, it was nice and sealed. Then doing another one. 4 meatballs. And the sauce. Fold over. I guess I might kind of cramped it around the edges. Still kind of tore a bit, but it was fine. Then once you get all the pies made, you want to bake it in the oven at 425 for 25 to 30 minutes. After that, you have yourself a nice tasty meatball pie. Now one of them had 5 meatballs in it because I had an extra one, so that's what I'm cutting open right now to show you what it looks like. Look at that. Nice big meatball coming out. Now I do hope you enjoy the video, and I hope you enjoy the food. Thank you for watching.